What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Richie Hustles. We're here for another video. We're here at Walmart. We got a little tip-off. A little website called BrickSeek.com that tipped us off at a bunch of things that are on clearance at my local Walmart. So, we can't sleep. We're gonna go in there. You know what I mean? We might have to go in there looking like idiots, but we still going in. Let's go.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
So look, we're in the Lego section. We're looking for this item here. We want to see if we can find it. It wasn't in the clearance section, so. But you know something? This one. So, this one actually was on the list. Let's see. Let me check the Walmart app. I swear this one was on clearance too. I could be wrong. Yeah, no. So it's something that looks like this one, but it's not actually that one. Where the hell? I know they have it. They have to have it. It's this one here. Top anywhere. Maybe they don't have it. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so it doesn't look like they have the Legos that I was looking for. Bummer, but we have some other stuff we need to look for, so let's keep it going. Alright, so listen, so when you have experience, you know certain characters have certain values. So these are not on sale. They're $8.98 regular price, but they're going for some pretty good profit. The sales rank is okay for toys, and we're going for double the money. There's only 3 sellers on there, so we're going to investigate this and probably just pick them all up. So check this out. So I found this right up here. Okay, not marked clearance, but this is hidden clearance because, peep this, when we go to the Walmart app, it's $4.50. So we're gonna pick that up. We like that.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you.
So this is the next item we're looking for. Nutribullet Pro Plus Blender. I think, is that it? I think that's it. Did we find something? Finally? Nutribullet Pro? Let's see. No, that is not it. So if that's not it, this is Pro Blender. Pro Plus Blender. Okay. So it's not that one. Ah, it's this one. But it doesn't make sense. Is that it up there? Let me see. I remember getting these for $5 a piece. But it's almost summertime now, so they're not going to be on sale now. Honestly, I thought I'd find more, but I think this is all we're gonna find. Oh, and I picked up, so this here is going for some pretty good money. This was in the clearance aisle for 13 bucks.
silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind.
Not really here. I thought there would have been more. They got these Victrola sets, but they're $59. I don't think they're marked down anymore. These can bring pretty good money in, but at $59, that's kind of at the high end. 59. Let's see. Yeah, see, I'd lose money on that. So. I've never seen this. Have you seen that before? Let's see. $21.29. I mean, you make $1. It's not really worth it. 17. Let's see if that's marked down a little bit more. You see if it's hidden clearance or even more marked down clearance by the Walmart app. But it's not. It's 17. So these have been here forever. I think these are still 7 too. When these get marked down, I bought them. I bought a bunch of these for 7, but I won't buy any more. I'll wait for them to get marked down again. So I think that's it for this Walmart. Picked up a couple things. I mean, I placed a $1,000 order for OA and wholesale. We're gonna go hit up another Walmart, but that's for another video. So, gotta check out. Let's go check out. So, we did what we could. See this? You see this? It's hard. I think the most important thing that I got today was the paper towels. Things like a commodity in these days. You know what I mean? But, yeah, a little bit, you know what I mean? But look, listen, it's a little bit, but we're going to sprinkle that in with some other RA that I have at the house so we can prep our order. That's it. That's going to do it for the video. We found a couple things in toys. We even found some full price items that we're actually going to double our money on. And those weren't even on clearance, and they had a lot more of it. But these items just came out, and there's only 1 to 3 prime sellers on these listings. So we're going to take a chance. We bought a couple. We're going to send them in, see if they sell. If they sell, we're going to go back, and we're going to go get them all. It's not that important of an item. You know, it's something that if I miss the opportunity, I miss the opportunity. It is what it is. You have to make good decisions, and you also have to make cautious decisions. So, yeah, follow me on IG at Richie Hustles, on Twitter at Richie Hustles, every social media platforms at Richie Hustles, and hopefully I will see you. Like, share, subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next hustle.